In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly share your Google Slides file with others. Whether you want to collaborate with a team, get feedback, or simply share your presentation with someone, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring your file is shared exactly as you intend. First, you'll need to open the Google Slides file that you want to share. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the sharing options for your file. In the sharing window that pops up, you'll see a field labeled Share with People and Groups. This is where you'll enter the email addresses of the individuals you'd like to share your slides with. Type the email address of each person, separating them if there's more than one. Once you've added the necessary emails, take a look next to each email address. There's a drop-down menu that lets you choose the permission level you want to give to each recipient. You have three options to consider here. If you select Viewer, the person will be able to view your presentation, but they won't be able to make any changes. If you go with Commenter, they can view and also leave comments, which is perfect for gathering feedback. Finally, the Editor option will allow them to make changes to the slides, ideal for collaborative projects. Now, if you'd like to notify the people you're sharing with, look for the Notify People box. Checking this box will send them an email notification about the shared file. This is a handy feature if you want to make sure they receive the presentation promptly. Plus, you have the option to include a personal message along with the notification, letting them know why you're sharing the file or anything specific they need to focus on. Once you've set everything to your liking, simply click Send, or it may say Share, to give them access. Let's move on to an important aspect of sharing, ensuring that only the intended recipients can access your file. In the sharing dialog, you'll find a section labeled General Access. It's crucial to set this option to Restricted, which ensures that only the people you specifically invited can open the presentation. This step adds an extra layer of security, preventing unauthorized access by anyone who might get a hold of the link to your slides. And if there ever comes a time when you need to remove someone's access or alter their permissions, click Share Again from the file. Find their name listed, and you can easily change their role with the drop-down or click Remove to revoke their access entirely. And there you have it. You're now ready to share your Google Slides with confidence, knowing the right people have access under the appropriate permissions. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.